What's up, you guys? Jason Wardrop here, and in this video I'm going to break down how to start and scale your own digital marketing agency in the next 90 days. Now guys, in this video I'm going to cover how to get started with absolutely zero experience, zero investment, no technical skills needed, and even if you're starting completely from scratch with no clients, the best way to go through and get clients, get results for those clients, and then scale from there. And I'm gonna break down how to do it within the next 90 days. So in order for you to actually have a business, an actual digital marketing agency, you need clients, right? You don't really have a business until you actually have your first client. So the first thing you need to do is go through and you need to pick a niche that you're gonna specialize in. Okay, the biggest mistake that most beginners make is they go through and they say, well, hey, I'm gonna help real estate agents, and I'm gonna help chiropractors and dentists and restaurants and gyms and all this stuff, and they go through and they just spread themselves so thin that they aren't able to really go through and scale from there. So if you check out my video that I posted on Monday, which I'll link up here as well, you'll see basically my thoughts of why you should go through and start a real estate digital marketing agency, because honestly guys, it is the best niche to go through and get started and find your first clients. Okay, so day one guys, starting completely from zero, the first thing you wanna do is go through and on Facebook, and if you have a LinkedIn account, or let's say you have a Twitter account with a decent following, but it doesn't have to be Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn, anyone specific, but any platform that you actually have some friends on, go through and make a post saying, hey, I'm looking to help some real estate agent or dental friends or chiropractor or whatever, but I prefer real estate, so I'll say, I'm looking to help some real estate agent friends of mine generate leads for their business in the upcoming year. I will basically run your ads 100% for free. All you have to do is pay for the advertising for the first week. And from this post, guys, you're looking for just your first client, okay? And you're gonna make this exact same post on Facebook as well as on LinkedIn. Now, the best way to go through and make this post is make the post, but then add some sort of image that pertains to your actual post. Because usually the Facebook post or LinkedIn post or anything with an image, they're gonna get a lot more attention, a lot more eyeballs, a lot more people actually stopping. They see the image and they're like, oh man, okay, what's going on in this post? So you're gonna get a lot more attention, a lot more attraction if you have an image in that post, as opposed to just going through and having just plain text. So guys, you're not gonna stop here. You're gonna go through, you're gonna continue to take action. So you've made your post on Facebook, you've made your post on LinkedIn, but you don't wanna just sit around and wait for some referrals to actually happen. What you wanna do is get onto a site like meetup.com and go and find some networking events that are happening locally in your community. Now, obviously this takes a little bit more work. You have to actually get off your butt. You have to actually get out of your house, but go to these networking groups, and when you're talking with other people, just say, hey, my name is whatever your name is. So, hey, my name is Jason, and I help real estate agents generate leads. Okay, so that's it. My name's Jason. I help real estate agents generate leads. Don't get onto this long spiel of all this crazy stuff. Well, I'm thinking about doing this, and I don't know, like I'm gonna probably do some trials of like people don't have to pay me. Just this long spiel where, guess what? Everyone's brain shuts off and they don't listen to you, and they're just like, afterwards, after you stop talking, they're like, wait, what does that person do? So just keep it simple of just saying, my name is Jason. I help real estate agents. So I help who you help, or chiropractors, or I help dentists, or I help whoever, and then what do you help them do? Generate leads. And guys, 100% of the time that I have done this, every single person, they go through and they say, oh, I've got a friend, or I've got a relative, or I got somebody that I know that's a real estate agent, I should connect the two of you. So when that happens, say, oh, awesome, yeah, what's their name and phone number? And then from there, boom, you just got another free referral without having to go through, spend any money. And guys, that is how you get your first couple of clients 100% for free without investing any money into this. And so now after about a week of going through and hitting up maybe a couple of networking groups from meetup.com, and there's several other sites like meetup.com, you probably know of them, or there's probably some different groups on Facebook even in your local community. And so find those, and after the first week, from that Facebook post, from that LinkedIn post, and from hitting up a couple of these networking groups, you should probably have your first 2 to 5 clients. And then from here, guys, it really is not that hard. What you can do is go through, I've got several videos of how to go through and set up a Facebook lead generation campaign for specifically real estate agents. And obviously, if you picked another niche, you can go through and find some probably other YouTube video on here about how to go through and set up the Facebook ad. and you're not charging them, so it's like you don't have to stress about it, right? You say, hey, let's set up aside a budget. Maybe they put down $100 for the next week of you to go through and try to run some ads for them. Most real estate agents, if you're gonna do it for free for them, they're gonna be all about it. So you get those clients, you watch one of my videos, watch how I go through and set it up step by step. And if you set it up right and you follow the video, within 3 to 5 days, you should be starting to see these first leads actually coming in. And so now your client's happy. Now you have a testimonial. And now this is where your business really starts to grow. Because once you have the success story, now you go back to Facebook, you go back to LinkedIn, and you go and make another post. And you say, hey, look, this is Johnny, and I just went through, and in the first 7 days, we were able to generate 23 leads, or however many leads you're going through and generating at, maybe if you got like leads for like $2 to $5 per lead or whatever it is, hey, we got 23 leads at $5 or $7 per lead. If you're a realtor, or if you know a realtor looking for help with your real estate lead generation, hit me up, let me know. Okay, and then every single time you have a new success story, you're posting that on Facebook, you're posting that on LinkedIn, and so all of your friends are seeing this, and they're thinking, okay, that's the guy, like Jason's the guy that does the real estate lead generation. So if I'm a realtor, or if I know a realtor, and if I come across one, or if I think about one, I'm connecting that with Jason, or whatever your name is, right? And they're able to go through and send more referrals. So if you consistently do this every single time you have a good case study, a good success story over the first 90 days and even beyond, you're gonna keep on getting those clients at absolutely zero investment into advertising or anything else. So guys, if you consistently do these things right here, you're able to go through, and within 90 days, you should have your first 10 clients. And not only your first 10 clients, but your first 10 paying clients, where with 10 clients, you should be able to make $10,000 every single month from those clients. Now, as far as what software I would be using the Arsenal marketing system. And the thing about that, the reason why I would be using this is because you can go through, you can set up that real estate agent with their own mobile app. The automated email and text marketing is already done for you. You don't even have to mess with that, or Zapier, or any of these other integrations or anything crazy like that. The lead generation campaigns are already done. Everything is basically set up where all you have to do is spend maybe 10 to 15 minutes to set up the ad, and then you're getting like these proven results, because we've just done this time and time again. I've worked with over 5,000 real estate agents and brokers, and so we've got a pretty good idea of what works and what doesn't work. So you can just skip all of the trial and error, all of just the guesswork of how you actually get results for your clients. So with Arsenal, you're gonna be able to have them download the mobile app, so anytime they get a new lead, they're gonna be notified on the mobile app. And then also, the automated emails and texts are going out, and so anytime that person, that lead, responds to that text, it's gonna come right to the mobile app, so your real estate client is going to be thrilled with you. And you can give them accesses for the first 7 days, 100% for free during that trial period, where they're just paying for the advertising, and now they're getting a mobile app, they're getting the email, the text marketing, they're getting all this stuff from you, and they don't even need to know that Arsenal exists, but this is all coming from you, and they're absolutely loving you because they're seeing the results, they're getting the lead notifications, they're getting the email and text marketing follow-up, they're having this all happen in place, and they don't even have to worry about it. So then guys, after you go through and get your first 10 clients, obviously we're just gonna keep at it. We're gonna keep in the same niche and grow up till we've got about 15 to 20 clients. And once you get in the 15 to 20 clients range, what you wanna do is start training someone that can go and do all the fulfillment of the Facebook ads for you. So you're gonna be focused on the lead acquisition. So you're gonna be focused on the client acquisition, the sales, keep on bringing new customers in. You're gonna be the face of your company, but then you're gonna hire someone to actually do the fulfillment work, because as you go through and scale up, after you get about 20 clients, you're just gonna run yourself thin, because you're not gonna be able to do all the fulfillment and the sales and keep up with it. And you're gonna kind of peak at that 20 clients. And so if you wanna go through and scale to 30 to 40 to 50 to 100 clients or even more, you're gonna have to start training new people to do exactly what you've done. So anyway, guys, I don't wanna make this video too much longer, but literally that is the exact strategy of how to go through and start your own real estate digital marketing agency in the next 90 days, how to start seeing results, how to start getting your own clients 100% for free, no investment, no experience even needed, and then how to go through and get results for those clients And then once you get results for those clients, how to leverage those results to acquire even more clients and grow your business to $10,000 per month. And if you literally just keep with this path, the same exact structure, you'll be able to get to $25,000 and then $50,000 a month with your business. So anyway, guys, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that because that helps other people just like you be able to see this video, see this content, and be able to go through and get started with their own digital marketing agency. And if you guys are worried about competition, guys, honestly, competition is irrelevant. It doesn't matter because people are gonna go more likely with somebody they know than someone they don't know. And if you're looking in the real estate space, there's over 2 million real estate agents in the United States alone. Okay, that's not including Canada or the rest of the world. So really, if you think about competition, 2 million real estate agents, you could be working with 1,000 making $250,000 or more a month, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna be doing all right. So anyway, guys, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, let me know what you thought. And also, if you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell because we launch new videos every single week on how to generate more leads, make more money, and grow your business. So with that said, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you all later.